Out in the vastness of the cosmos, beyond the farthest galaxies and the limits of human sight, lies a question that has haunted both physicists and philosophers alike. Is this the only universe? For centuries, we believed our cosmos was singular, a self-contained reality bound by known laws and physical constants. But science, ever curious, never settles. And now, a convergence of cutting-edge physics, bold theoretical models, and strange experimental data is painting a far more surreal picture. A picture of parallel worlds, a multiverse, other realities, perhaps infinite, where everything you know is different or eerily the same. And the most staggering part? We may have just caught our first real glimpse of them. The idea of parallel universes has existed in mythology, religion, and fiction for centuries. Ancient Hindu cosmology describes cycles of endless universes being born and destroyed. Medieval mystics imagined celestial spheres stacked upon one another. Science fiction took these ideas and ran wild, creating alternate timelines, mirror realities, and sliding doors of destiny. But in the 20th and 21st centuries, something changed. The multiverse leapt from fantasy into the realm of serious scientific discussion, not because scientists wanted it to, but because math demanded it. Quantum mechanics, string theory, and cosmic inflation, all wildly successful theories in their own right, seem to imply that our universe may be only one of many. The equations didn't point to one outcome. They pointed to infinite branching paths, infinite possibilities. Suddenly, the multiverse wasn't just a philosophical thought experiment. It became a prediction. Let's zoom in, way in, down to the subatomic level. In the world of quantum mechanics, particles don't behave like tiny billiard balls. They behave like waves of probability. Until observed, an electron doesn't sit in a specific place. It exists in a superposition of all possible positions. Schrödinger's famous cat isn't just alive or dead, it's both, until the box is opened. This bizarre behavior led physicist Hugh Everett III to propose something radical. Instead of collapsing into one outcome, every quantum event causes a split in reality. Each possibility plays out in its own branch of the universe. When you flip a coin, the universe divides, creating a world for heads and another for tails. When you choose which way to walk, reality splits accordingly. You are constantly dividing, fracturing, multiplying, not metaphorically, but literally, across infinite timelines. In this view, our reality is a vast tree of branching universes, an infinite library of what-ifs, all equally real. In 2020, the world briefly turned its attention to the icy vastness of Antarctica, not because of climate change or melting ice, but because of an anomaly. NASA's Antarctic Impulsive Transient Antenna, or ANITA, was floating high above the continent on a balloon, scanning for high-energy particles called neutrinos. These ghostly visitors from space usually zip through Earth unnoticed. But ANITA detected something strange. Neutrinos seemed to be emerging upward from inside the Earth, a direction that defied all known models. According to the laws of physics, such particles shouldn't have survived a journey through the planet. They should have been absorbed. And yet, there they were. Some scientists speculated it was a fluke. Others suggested experimental error. But a handful dared to ask a more profound question. What if these particles weren't from our universe at all? Could they be leaking in from a parallel world? One with inverted physics? Could this be the first physical interaction between realities? Though the claim remains controversial and is still being studied, the incident opened a door. And once the idea of parallel worlds enters the laboratory, it's hard to close it again. To find other universes, we don't just look small, we also look big, to the beginning of time itself. The theory of cosmic inflation suggests that the universe expanded incredibly rapidly just after the Big Bang. This rapid inflation wasn't necessarily uniform. It may have created bubble universes, each with different properties. We exist in one of these bubbles, but others, formed alongside ours, may have completely different physical laws. Some may be too alien for life. Others might be uncannily similar. And just like soap bubbles in a sink, these universes could collide. The scars of such collisions might still be visible in the cosmic microwave background radiation, the afterglow of the Big Bang. Some cosmologists have even claimed to detect strange cold spots in the sky, areas where our universe might have brushed against another. These are not mere theories. They are testable, mathematical predictions, and they force us to confront the possibility that our universe is not alone. Quantum computers promise to revolutionize everything, from cryptography to medicine. But they also raise a mind-blowing question. How do they work so fast? Unlike classical computers, quantum computers perform calculations using qubits, units that can exist in multiple states at once. This allows them to process many outcomes simultaneously. Some theorists, including Oxford physicist David Deutsch, argue that quantum computers may be utilizing resources from parallel universes. In this interpretation, each calculation branches into a separate world. The final result emerges through a kind of interference between realities. If true, every time we use a quantum computer, we're not just computing, we're cooperating across the multiverse. A radical thought, but one that may become the cornerstone of 21st century technology. The multiverse is more than a scientific model. It's a mirror held up to our most intimate questions. Are we alone in the cosmos? Maybe not even in this version of Earth. Do our choices matter? In the multiverse, every choice happens. Every path is walked. Every version of you exists somewhere. It reframes life as a tapestry of infinite threads. For every tragedy, a universe where it was avoided. For every regret, a reality where it never happened. And for every lost loved one, a world where they're still here. It's both comforting and unsettling. Are we merely passengers in a sea of infinite selves? Or are we still responsible for the one path we walk? Physicists continue the search, using telescopes, particle accelerators, and precision detectors to test the boundaries of reality. The Large Hadron Collider seeks miniature black holes or gravitational anomalies that could point to hidden dimensions. The James Webb Space Telescope scans the oldest light in the universe, hunting for signs of cosmic irregularity. Even here on Earth, new quantum experiments attempt to tease out signs of world-splitting interference. And every anomaly, every strange result, every unexpected signal is scrutinized, not just for what it says about our universe, but what it might reveal about others. We have long believed our universe to be everything, the totality of space, time, and matter. But what if it's only one page in an infinite book? One ripple in an endless ocean? Parallel worlds may remain out of reach. They may be forever hidden, or just one experiment away. Either way, the possibility changes everything. It expands the stage of existence. It invites wonder. It humbles us. And perhaps, most importantly, it reminds us that the universe is still full of secrets, still full of magic, still full of mystery.